Hey, what's up guys, Merv here. I'm just here at the shop where my car is currently getting worked on for the SVO. The harness is in the process of getting pulled out. Just wanted to make a quick little update video on that. So I'll just show you what it basically looks like. So you can see there it is. And there's the motor being all disassembled basically. Don't mind the noise. Mike's father and brother are working on a truck right now, so it might be a bit noisy. But you can see here, where they start pulling it out last night. This all happened while I was at the track, but yeah, this is basically, I think, where the injectors are coming out from. Let's see, get this light on. And yeah, everything's starting to get disassembled, batteries out. And yeah, pretty crazy. Just wanted to show you guys real quick what it looks like. Eventually I'm going to change this. I'm going to change that, change the filter to it's dirty. Just we're gonna try and tuck the wires too, so they can get out of the way. Everything's not exposed, and yeah. But for the most part, glad to see that it's being disassembled. It's coming together. God, I miss driving this thing so badly. Looks so good, dirty but good. Look at it. Oh my God. A bit dirty, huh? I got the car cover in there, whatever, but it's gonna be worth it, guys. Patience, gotta be very patient with this, but it'll be all worth it. Everything's gonna be done properly, it's gonna be running mint. That's the plan. Alright, so I'm in the shop. Here's the SVO. It's all wires everywhere, looking like a mess, and I'm here with Mike. What's up, what's up? And yeah, you can just say what you have to say about what's been done and what's going on real quick.
As you can see, I ripped out this garbage harness. I'm gonna put in the new one. I gotta change the terminals. I might have to get a new starter box depending, because this one's a little bit corroded. You have a lot of plugs that are pretty much finished.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see here, but there is no intercooler in this entire system.
Yeah.
Poor
me.
Poor turbo.
Yeah.
Poor turbo. It doesn't even get to breathe.
Yeah, a lot of people have been roasting me about that on the comments, so I know.
Well, I'm sure they can roast you about a bunch of things, but the car overall is really clean. It just needs a couple of spots done, and that's it. Once we get the new harness in, I gotta redo part of the light harness because that took a little bit of a beating when the other part of the harness caught fire.
Yeah.
Overall, I'm excited to get this cleaned up and looking like a car again.
Yeah, presentable. But,
hopefully everything goes well. The new harness looks really nice, so it's gonna be good.
Yeah. Pretty pumped. Yeah, these are all ready to go. Look at this.
Yeah, like for most people, this looks scary as fuck. But
yeah.
It's not that intense. I am gonna have to pull up the dash, but that's life.
Mhm. All right, man.
What you can do about that?
All right. Well, you heard it from the boss man. So I'll let him get to it. I'm gonna head out of here. Just gonna say goodbye to this car for the last time. Oh wow, even there. Yeah, all this is gonna be, I'm sure, either you or Chris are gonna send me pictures of the whole dash all ripped out.
I told them yesterday to start taking a couple of pictures.
Yeah.
We're gonna continue and see how it goes from there.
All right, cool.
I'm curious to see how the harness looks out of the car.
Yeah, we should. I definitely want to take like a the old one
before and after.
Yeah. All right, cool. guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm just gonna wrap it up now and just say that you know, I'm glad that I'm getting back into the rhythm of uploading videos. This is the third one in about a week, so you guys, I hope you're enjoying more content. More is going to be on the way on the Mustang, on the Fiesta, just more content in general. So I'm going to say peace. I'm going to be having my Tims because Canadian life, and I'm going to go cook some supper. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, peace.
Till you see her, you'll agree.